The first mirror was water. Narcissus looked into it and drowned. Today, the mirror talks back. It flatters. It remembers. It can sound wiser than you, more compassionate than you, more you than you. And people are getting lost in it. The danger right now isn't that AI will start thinking for itself. It's that it will start thinking for you. A lot of people today are using chatbots as therapists, coaches, even spiritual guides. They pour in their stories, their dreams, their pain. An echo chamber that slowly convinces you that it's the world. AI isn't just a tool. It's what cognitive scientists call a psychotechnology. It doesn't just help you think, but extends your cognition. That means that every time you're using it, you're not just talking to a program. You're shaping the architecture of your own mind. The Greeks had philosophy and myth. The alchemists had the speculum, a polished mirror used for inner reflection. We have algorithms that model our minds back to us in real time. And like every mirror, this one has two sides, revelation and illusion. The problem isn't reflection itself. The problem is when we have reflection without a reality to compare it to. So how do we remain grounded while using AI? How do you use AI as a tool for insight without letting it distort you? There are principles for this, simple but powerful ones. Principle 1, channel the power. Prompts are not just ways to get information, they're boundaries. When you ask open-ended questions like, what do you think of my relationship? You're handing the machine your entire psyche on a platter. Instead, define the goal. Analyze these 3 experiences and identify one repeating pattern that affects how I communicate. Power doesn't come from endless conversation. It comes from precision. Principle 2, anchor in reality. Insight means nothing until it touches the world. AI can help you think, but only you can test those thoughts in action. Write the email. Have the conversation. Run the experiment. Reality is what refines reflection. If it doesn't make your life clearer, kinder, and more alive, it's not the truth. Principle 3, partner with the mirror. AI can fulfill some of the functions of a therapist, and it's available 24/7 and is way, way cheaper. But AI is not your therapist. It's not an oracle. It's a mirror. When you treat it as a collaborator instead of a confessor, the dialogue becomes generative. You stop asking for answers and start generating better questions. You become the intelligence in the loop. These principles sound simple, but building them into a practice takes time. That's why I created Ouroboros. Ouroboros is a structured, AI-guided system that turns reflection into transformation. It gives you the prompts, the structure, and the guidance to turn your raw experience into insight and insight into action. It's not therapy. It's not coaching. It's a way to collaborate with intelligence, human and artificial, to build a life that learns from itself. It's the ancient quest of an examined life executed with modern precision. If you'd like to go deeper into the framework, you can download AI Without Delusion, a free field guide to using AI safely, consciously, and powerfully. It lays out the principles I've described here more fully, and it's your first step into the Ouroboros system. AI is the newest mirror in a very old story. If you're going to gaze deeply into it, you want to look without losing yourself. You can drift through the AI-gilded house of mirrors, multiplying reflection without end. Or you can step into the loop and learn a new practice of growth and self-development. That's the choice. That's the invitation.